Okay, so I did plug it in and I saw the power coming to it, which leads me to believe that it wasn't powered off. Anyway, so supposedly it's powered on because when I plugged it in I saw a little electricity. But let's try this trick. Hit those 3 buttons, hit them again, one more time, and there it is. Okay, so I just hit these 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. So what it's displaying is an F6E2 error, and I've tried the reset on Maytag on the websites that they've recommended using the control panel board. One of them was, press the power button, select a cycle, and then hold it to start and see if that works. But it looks like I just turned it off, and so I'm probably gonna have to turn it back on. And anyway, there is a way to pull this back panel off. That would be your next step if you want to fix it yourself. Yeah. Anyway, but that's how you get your errors to display. So there's other videos on YouTube on how to do this, but there's a couple screws back here, and you can pop that piece off, and you can actually buy this whole control panel new and then replace it that way. But I'm gonna call my home warranty and see if I can get a new washer out of this. Okay, so I'm gonna try and turn it on. Nothing happens. And if you're curious what the model number is for this Maytag, there's the model number and the serial number. Anyway, so let's try. I unplugged it for a little while. I'll try and get some lights back on by hitting 3 buttons in a row.
Always remember that there's still Fruit Loops with marshmallows.
Okay, I don't know why that's not working. Okay, so this video is going to talk about how to display these errors here. So what's happening is my son said, "Hey Dad, how come the washer isn't working?" So first thing you want to do is you want to unplug your washer, okay? And I turned it off, okay? So there it is. The error that you're probably getting is it just won't turn on. So when it is plugged in, I'll show you. And you may want to check your breaker on your house to see if that's the issue. But I went ahead and plugged it in over there. Anyway, so check your breaker that goes to your washer, and you can, reset that breaker. Also, I read somewhere on Maytag where if you have it unplugged for 3 minutes, it might reset it. Or if that doesn't work, unplug it for 10 minutes. But long story short, I'm going to cut to the chase. The issue is probably the control panel. If it's not going to turn on, or the power board, I don't know the exact name for it, but my wife was saying it was around $400 back in 2020. So my recommendation is probably just buy a new washer. But if you're having a technician come out to repair it, or if you just want to, try this trick to see if you can get it to work, sometimes this trick will work, But anyway, so it's plugged in. I'm turning the power. It's not working. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that didn't work either. So hold on, let me try this.